Hey guys, Rick here from Hobby Time. Video today is going to show you the completed print. All the printing is done on the T60 Power Armor now. Everything, I've laid it all out so everyone can see. We'll go through a few specs and sizes and how much filament I've used and everything like that. But yeah, let's get straight into it.
So here we go, one completed armor. Feet, we've got the shins, we've got the thighs, the forearm, the bicep, the shoulders. We've got our helmet there. As you can see, there is the shoulder mounting. Here is the back, including the backpack, the air tanks, the butt armor, chest, which is already done, lower groin armor, all finished, all ready to rock and roll. Just another quick look of everything combined together, ready for assembly, prepping, priming and painting. Now what I've done here, this was a quick test fit of the chest armor, not completely together as yet. As you can see, it still has mounting pins. What I will do is I'll use either some M6 or some M8 screws. And here's the shoulders. As the shoulders were done in 3 pieces, I had to glue those and obviously plastic weld those, so we had a little bit more structure on them. So they're a bit, a bit heftier. Here's a quick fitting of these 2 shoulders, just to show the sheer scale of these shoulders. I think they're about 3 kilos for the 2 shoulders in total weight, so they're not light by any means. So what I've had to do with these shoulder brackets, now it's not in this video, but since I recorded this, I have added metal supports into the shoulder brackets just to give me a bit of strength, because I was worried that if I run into something or bump someone, that bracket would just snap and that would be the end of it. But so far very happy of how everything sort of fits up roughly. Now I haven't done a full assembly fit up because obviously not everything's together, but so far the rough assemblies really worked well for me. Now it becomes the fun stuff, which is obviously the sanding and everything like that. But there will be more fitment videos going ahead very soon. That way you can sort of see how everything fits along. But as you can see there, we need to put some special screws and bolts in there to hold everything in place, but still give it that functionality like it was designed for with this 3D print by Nico Industries. So it's been very fun so far.
Well guys, that was a quick one for that. Now we're on to the final stages. Like, it's a lot of sanding, it's a lot of prepping, priming. There, as you've seen, there are some bits that are already together that just require a sand and a prime. Some that have already been painted, done it in stages, amongst other projects. But stay tuned, in the next few videos, we should have this T60 armor wrapped up, ready to wear and ready to take to Supernova. But as always guys, thanks for watching, and thanks for tagging along with this journey specifically. We've still got more to go, but as usual, like, subscribe, and yeah, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.